Hi, everyone. Welcome back from spring break. We are now starting the fourth quarter of the year, and the district sent out some information regarding how we are to be grading you for the fourth quarter. So, deciding on what the district policy was, Mr. Booker and I decided that we needed to make some new rules and procedures for the fourth quarter to make it easier on all of us. So, I'm going to be explaining our changes here in this presentation. One thing that the district wants us all to do is to have a uniform way of showing you what your objectives and assignments will be for the week. So I have already been doing this for the last 4 weeks, but now I'll be using their form, and this will be sent out to you in an announcement, and I will also have it posted in the remote learning folder so you can reference it at any time. One of the things to note is when your assignments are going to be due. I've had a lot of people over the last couple of weeks asking me after the fact, can I go back and do that test? Can I go back and resubmit that homework? And the date and the time of when things are going to be due is here in the last column, highlighted in yellow. So you need to be very aware of when you have things that are going to be graded and due during the fourth quarter. New procedure for asking me questions. I'm just getting emails all day long. I'm getting questions on the Google form. I'm getting questions from when you submit answers, and I'm answering questions on Blackboard Collaborate. I need to streamline this for my own sanity. So I will be on Blackboard Collaborate every day from office hours for math, which will be every day now from noon until 1 p.m. And there's going to be one time and one place for you all to come and ask questions. And that will be the time. If you email me a question about something, if you fill out that Google form, I actually took the Google form off Blackboard, so it's not even there anymore. But if you ask it on email, my response is probably going to be see you at office hours. Because if you have the question, chances are 5 to 10 other people have the question, and I just can't be answering emails nonstop like I am. So I will see you all 12 to 1. Think of it as period 0. If you have questions, you're welcome to join in. If you just want to see what other people are asking, you can join in. And if people haven't logged on by 12:15, I will probably end the session and get on with my day because I'm not going to sit around and wait for you guys until 1 o'clock. Fourth quarter grading. Okay, because of the new pass-fail system that is being put into place, we found it necessary to rethink of how we're going to do our grading for the fourth quarter. You will have assessments only, meaning we will be giving you things on Blackboard to do, and that is the only graded things that we will require of you for the fourth 9 weeks. There will be no homework grades. There will be no extra credit given, so don't ask for it. When we give you homework assignments, that is for your own practice and benefit to get ready for the tests and assessments that'll be on Blackboard. It is going to be on your honor to do it if you want to do it or not. I really don't care. I'm not going to be checking. I'm not going to be asking you to submit it in the Google form anymore. So that's all on you. These assessments will always have a 3 p.m. deadline. Actually, the school district told us that we really need to have all tests done by 2 p.m. each day. So I thought that it would be fair to give you 1 extra hour to give you the benefit of the doubt. I know there's some of you out there that like to do night school based upon some of the submissions I'm seeing on your Google Forms that you're submitting your homework at 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You want to do night school any day of the week, that's fine. But on the days that you have a test to do for Honors Pre-Calc, you need to be in Blackboard between the hours of 8 and 3 p.m. and that test needs to be submitted by 3 p.m. that day and completed. Like, don't tell me you started it at 2:59 and you didn't realize it had to be done by 3 p.m. I'm telling you right now, everything's deadline is 3 p.m. These dates will be posted on the weekly plan. You just saw them highlighted. They will also show up on the Blackboard calendar when we create the test. And the 3 things that you will be asked to do are still your weekly warm-up quizzes, mostly on Fridays. I can't see why they wouldn't be on Fridays. And any tests or quizzes that we will give on the curriculum that we're teaching. And we still are going to do our SAT and our ACT Blackboard questions, and we will tell you when those will be due as well as we go through the fourth quarter. So that's pretty much all I want you to know. The biggest thing is that there will be no makeups for your assessments, so don't ask. You missed the 3 p.m. deadline for any reason. I don't really care what the reason is. We're just not going back until we're not doing makeups. And the main reason for that is for pass-fail to pass, you basically need to get a 61% for the fourth 9 weeks. If you fail, you're going to have a 60% or lower for the fourth 9 weeks on all of your assessments and things that we're going to do in Blackboard. So play the game as you want to, but you have to get a 61% on all of your assessments or better to get your passing grade for the fourth quarter. If you miss something, that's just going to go in as a 0 and it's going to go against your percentage. So you need to be watching your grades in Tyler and make sure you're above a 61% for the fourth quarter. All right, so for today, you have 6.1, 6.2 practice, which is law of sines, law of cosines. Day 3, I have a worksheet posted for you on Blackboard. You get tomorrow to work on this and to check your answers. And on Thursday is going to be a Blackboard quiz on your law of sines, law of cosines, and it would be due by 3 p.m. on Thursday. So take note, this week you have that quiz on Thursday.